When picking a crypto exchange, is security and simplicity more important to you, or is it a massive selection of assets and lower trading fees? That's essentially the core choice when looking at two of the industry's longest-running and most reputable exchanges, Gemini and Kraken. They both offer a safe place to trade, but their approach to the user experience and feature set is quite different. Let's dive into how Gemini and Kraken stack up. First, let's talk user experience, or UX. Gemini is often seen as the exchange for beginners, and for a good reason. Its main interface is clean, clear, and incredibly easy to navigate. It offers a simple, streamlined process for buying and selling crypto. It's like the polished, well-lit office of the crypto world. Kraken, on the other hand, is built with the experienced trader in mind. Its dark-themed aesthetic and feature-rich platform, especially Kraken Pro, feel more like a trading cockpit. It's powerful, offering advanced charting and a multitude of order types, which can be overwhelming for a newbie, but is exactly what a seasoned professional wants. Now for the all-important features and fees. If you're hunting for altcoins, Kraken is the clear winner. Kraken offers over 200 cryptocurrencies, giving you a huge variety of assets and trading pairs. Gemini is more selective, supporting around 70 coins. This reflects Gemini's priority on regulatory compliance and a tighter vetted selection. When it comes to fees, the picture gets a little more complex. For instant buys on the basic platforms, Gemini can be expensive, with a tiered fee structure that includes a convenience fee. Kraken's standard platform also charges a flat fee. However, if you are an active trader, the pro-level platforms are where you save money. Kraken Pro generally offers lower maker-taker fees for high-volume trading, especially at higher tiers. Gemini active traders' fees are competitive but start slightly higher than Kraken Pro's bottom tiers. Gemini does offer free withdrawals for ACH transfers, which is a great perk for frequently moving funds, while Kraken's withdrawal fees can vary. Finally, a quick note on security and compliance. Both exchanges are giants in this category. Gemini prides itself on its regulatory compliance, holding multiple certifications like SOC 1 Type 2 and SOC 2 Type 2. Kraken also boasts military-grade security with proof of reserves audits. Gemini goes a step further by offering limited insurance coverage on hot wallet assets and pass-through FDIC insurance on USD balances, which gives many users an extra layer of peace of mind. So, who wins? There's no single answer. Gemini is fantastic for beginners, those who prioritize simplicity, and those who value the highest level of regulatory assurance. Kraken is the powerhouse for experienced traders, offering a wider asset selection, more advanced tools, and generally more favorable fees for high-volume trading. Choose the one that fits your comfort level and trading volume. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.